Hello, welcome to week 3, Bianca. This week we're going to be talking about pre-writing and paragraph writing. So one of our topics, the reflective writing, is one of my favorite types of writing. I love keeping a journal and doing reflective writing. I'm just thinking back on things and how things impact my life or my day. And I like to write those things down and write how I'm feeling about them. So this is one of my favorite topics. And then we're going to be discussing pre-writing steps. So you need to read chapter 4 and then do your discussion. Try to post a little bit early so that you and I can have time to chat or conversate in the discussion board together. I know it's kind of difficult when it's just you and I, but we can make it fun. So let's chat in the discussion board, and then you're going to go over assignment 3.1, which will be talking about brainstorming, which is one of your pre-writing steps. And then you're going to do assignment 3.2, which is another brainstorming activity. And then assignment 3.3 is an actual reflective and descriptive type writing assignment where you're going to tell a story about your most embarrassing moment. This is a fun week because you get to actually do some things that actually focus on you. And it's kind of light because you're just going to be doing brainstorming as well. If you have any questions, don't forget to just call me or text me, email me. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great week. Bye-bye.